Hello guys. It's three of us going together to Nizamuddin railway station for going to the city of Lakes. Do you know what is the name of the city that we're going?
Udaipur.
What about you?
Maybe Jaipur.
Sis. So we're about to reach the railway station. Since my phone battery drains so fast, I won't be taking long videos.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
So I'll give the update after I reach that railway station. So we have gathered here.
एडजस्ट कर लेगा वो तो सब चीज जोएल सबसे ज्यादा दयालु है he adjust everywhere.
So are you guys excited for the trip?
No, I want to go home. This is me after 2 try sessions.
I am not excited for this field. Please cancel this field.
Of attendance, we have to do it.
Insect of attendance.
सेल्फ फाइनेंस बहुत ही ज्यादा सेल्फ फाइनेंस ट्रिप है
इसका तो भाई खर्चा
नॉट ए सिंगल टेलीफोन
चाहिए इस बार तो
I hope you like it though, because this might just be your last field.
Yeah, this will be our
If
last.
anybody is
No,
absent, please
not
let me
mine,
know.
but not mine.
Attendance mark.
I have another field for you in your train area.
अरे ये हमारे वाले देखिए
For music, train में बसन नवर और train की coach S2, the S3 लेके S2 साइड. We have started moving. Where is motherfucker? We have Samuel here.
Hello guys, channel to my welcome.
And your Sentinizer.
This is my thing.
Hello channel, welcome to guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe this channel.
Mr. Handsome is here. Everyone is very excited for this trip. And Samuel is the most excited one. That's why he makes that kind of face. Wow, nice. Let's do that vibing without music again. Yeah. So we have another team here. So this boy left without giving tissue.
Hi.
He told that he will give tissue to us, but he left without giving tissue. Sayaji or
So how is your expectation from this field? Are you excited for this field or not?
no, not at all. Not at all excited, but I'm very hopeful that
I think this teacher depends on this thing. Which kind of teacher is going with us?
yeah. It depends on that. And we have our Gaurav bhai here. Nice. ऊपर भी हमारा ज्वेल भाई है. और यहाँ भी एक अलग And as long as I have seen, this group is the most excited one. And we have Alok bhai here. Yeah. They've been exclaiming so much.
नहीं S3 में होगा सर. हाँ S3 में.
We are playing cards. Wasibo has the most number of cards. He's the richest right now. और कमलेश के साथ भी
कमलेश झूठ बोल रहा है. कमलेश झूठ बोल रहा है. मैंने कार्ड देखे इसके.
few cards
झूठ
है.
बोल रहा है.
भरोसा किया था मैंने.
यही तो काम है मेरा.
So we are playing the cards. It's already 9:35. I'm tired, so I came to sleep here. Samuel Samuel is also sleeping there. Good night. See you after I wake up. We have finally reached. Everyone is preparing to get off the train. Around the tongue for the super light. Okay, you pass the tongue only by the bar. Forget like more suddenly. This is my two south. Yeah, we have reached Udaipur with Mr. Nazi and Mr. Mrinal and Pakistan. They are talking about, but they were looking and laughing at me. Tradition here, anyway. This will be our room. 3 of us will stay. Samuel, me, and this Sapri.
Fuck you.
Are you excited? Two of you, are you excited to be sleeping with me?
What are we doing? Speechless.
Speechless.